tanan, nababo kabalen, kumusta kay po? Ako i-Louis season ning where in Pampanga. Ngayon po nga daw ngayon, may invite kami po keng peka ba yung memang ko coffee shop kayo po Angeles City. Apin po iniing coffee talk. Lungup tamo po ne. Kwentuhan tala po ring owners. Dito ka kwentuhan bayo tala pakit di karelang pamangan. Yan, lungup tamo ne. So this is their place ne. Cozy and very relaxing yung lugar. Anyway, so arena po na Mika Valdez. Ma'am, sir, thank you for inviting us po.
Ako po JM.
Ako po Jen.
Sir, dakala salamat po kayong pamang invite kaya kayo buying po lang sa coffee shop. I've heard first month ya pa mo.
Yes po, actually first month po today.
Kanaya-ganaga ng coffee shop po kayo ni Angeles talaga. Sinadya mo yan po ikami peka malambat coffee hours. Kasi muling na yung aliwaman kung na talaga.
Yes.
Main ko na talagang food,
Yes.
coffee, sakit to hangout, pwedeng mag-chill.
Yes.
Kaya ini, pwede swak na swak ka rin bisang lumawot pa kay Angeles.
Actually, aliwa mo po retang bat may hangout, mga yan eh. Even retang bat may gobrang
May gobra, yes.
Like, igami po kay call center, mga yan eh. And then aside from that, nandun pa po rin amenities namin.
Pati kami pong conference room kapag isa kayo mag-meetings.
Wow.
Atin kami rin pong board games
Yes.
na pwedeng mamyalong na rin anak.
Yes.
Pwede rin nga rin private parties.
Yes, pwede
Wow.
na rin private parties. We have also laptop station po para tawisang mag-aral.
Your food po, let's talk about your food.
More on pastas kami, pancake pizza, cakes.
Chicken wing starters, quesadilla. Alin mo coffee i-offer ni?
Guys, I won't keep you waiting na. So, inggawan ko po sir, pakit kayo po yung table tamo. Dakala salamat po sir, JM.
Thank you.
Alright, so munta tamo kayong table tamo. Bakit ko pinipamangan kaya kayo na? Hello, tala pa mo rin kaya katang baristas kaya na. Hello! Yan, so, kayong orientation me guys na. Then, baristas sa mo kayo ni our experience. Yan, that's the word, experience. Okay, let's go to our table. Check out our table, guys. Yan, no? Let me give you a quick glance. Itapin. So, nung kayo, given a chance na makanining table, you guys, what are you gonna go first? So, you have pasta, you have pizza, salad, at yung tamo mo naman chicken wings, and of course, we have our drinks na hot and cold drinks can available na po kayo. So, I guess we can sit down and let's talk about the food here. Let me give you a quick rundown of our table. So, on our left side, yung left side ko guys, you got your cakes. Super mouth-watering. I bet na yung kanakong cameraman, dano pa na kanina. Dano pa na? Yan, tatango yun. Next guys is this pizza. So this overload pizza right here guys is 499 pesos only. Meaning order yun, probably it's shareable up until 4 persons. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4 plates of pasta. To give you a rundown na yung pasta tamo guys, atin lang coffee talk pasta, you have your alige pasta, chicken spicy oriental, and then lastly yung tamang spicy tinapa. So their price is ranging from like 195 hanggang 230 pesos for their pasta. Buffalo wings is 220 pesos guys. Again, very generous yung karelang kami. I mean, madakal for 220 pesos na. Yan. So for their platter guys, atin tamong couple of buffalo wings here, atin tamong clubhouse, atin tamong nachos, and of course, atin tamong finger food na potato fries. Caesar salad. So for only 185 pesos, terno yan, terno guys. Potang mag-coffee ka rin. Atin lang mo naman quesadillas. And then another interesting dish kayo is ining-karelang roast beef sandwich. So ito guys na, I hope adi nanda kayong glimpse nung nanularetang food the Kenny as well as the amenity for the entire shop, coffee shop, mga yan eh. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask my cameraman and my photographer to join me. Baka to, ila mo naman mag-enjoy. So, ito, time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Few moments later guys, sobrang kadahal pa mo rin yung kaya yung table na. So guys, if you do like this video, nung kabuli nyo po itang ipagan yung paman kaya kayo na, please give this video a thumbs up. Share mo rin kay ang friend, kay ang family guys na. Let's discover more great places kaya po kay Angeles or even in Pampanga. So, thank you guys for watching. We're in Pampanga until our next discovery. So, bye! Ah, so this is a Sanseval cake. Balo ko na nun yung mga nung din dumali ka rin eh. Ano wala? Sanseval cake oh.